Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and many eye creams out there claim to have eye brightening effects. But in my opinion, this ILIA eye cream is one of the few that actually delivers on that claim. It has a very small opening where the cream dispenses from, so I find it really easy to get a super precise application and not to apply too much product. It has a ceramic applicator portion that I can use to kind of massage the eye cream into my eye area. I really like this because it feels so cooling and kind of like a mini massage for around my eyes. After that, I like to just gently pat around my eyes with my fingertips to help any excess product to absorb. It has the perfect amount of hydration for my skin type. It's not too rich, but it is also adequately hydrating. The effect that it leaves on the skin around my eyes is this beautiful, pearly, subtle sheen. This effect is not over the top, and I really find that it helps to brighten up and lift my eye area. And I also find that any eyeshadow or concealer that I apply on top of where I have applied this eye cream applies really smoothly. I have been super happy with the skincare benefits and the brightening effect of this ILIA eye cream. And that's my point of view.